Hey, what's up guys? Today's episode is brought to you by Tuk Tuk Box. Alright, so I'm excited to unbox this. So big shout outs to the co-founder of Tuk Tuk Box, Chrissy Thornton. And small world, her brother is Tony Inabong. So big shout outs to him. He does vlogs and YouTubes. Thank you so much guys. So it comes like this. It's like a little care package. So this would be great for the holidays coming. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, I'm about to open it up right now. See what's inside. Got like a nice packaging in here. So, alright. This confetti here. Look at these cards. Comes with some cards. Noodles. I love this brand. It's so yummy. Yes. I like this tin. Wow. It is packed. Look at this. So much stuff. This is so cool. It comes in a box like this. Alright guys, the Tuk Tuk Box. That was so freaking awesome. How fun was that? It had all these special treats in here. I think that grown-ups, adults, or kids, if they were given a Tuk Tuk Box, anybody would be happy. This is a lot of treats and snacks. It really brought a smile to my face, and the packaging was very beautiful. So if you want to check out Tuk Tuk, here's their Instagram and then their Facebook. Check it out and send these for the holidays. It'd be great gifts. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you, Christy. Alright, see you guys. Bye.